Hello everyone and welcome back to Can and Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Rocket Cellini espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was not pulling shots very well, and that was because the water pump was dying. This one that you see right here is from 2011. So it's definitely been working for quite a while, and it was on its last legs and he was not able to push water into it. When we open up the machine to replace the water pump, we find out that the heating element had a lot of corrosion around here. I mean, this is after we kind of wipe it off and clean it and we work on it, but it was a lot of corrosion over here inside there, around the heating element and stuff. So it was best to replace it since we were already there. We replaced that one in. We replaced the water pump. We descaled this machine, running a lot through the heat exchanger. This is the one group head, and through the boiler, steamer one and hot water, to make sure there's no any scale buildup or anything like that. So yeah, that's what we did. We descaled this machine, we replaced the heating element, we replaced the water pump, and that's it. Oh yeah, wait, we also replaced the shower screen and the gasket of the machine that you see right here. Deep clean around the E61 group head, back flush the machine, and just polish it and give it a nice pretty look all around it. There was a little kind of oil residue around the E61 group head. We cleaned it out, we made sure that it was no longer there, so we polished it a bit and it looks pretty good. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to test this machine out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind sense of this machine, otherwise we're going to see drip coffee or coffee better dripping. We do not have the tray of the machine, so it's going to be very messy. I personally do not like to work with machines that don't have a tray, but it is what it is. If we have it, it's good. If we don't have it, it is what it is. So here we go. We also not using the portafilter of the machine, we are using a different portafilter. As you can see, it's extracting pretty good. I probably tampered a bit too hard, but we're still having a nice flow coming out of the spouts. As you can see in there, crema is forming at the top of the espresso shot, and it's pulling out pretty good. Just to let you know, our coffee is very old, so we are not expecting to see that much amount of crema. As I said, it was going to be messy, but even so, we had a nice layer of it. You can kind of see it right here, much deeper. That is the color of the crema. Looking good, looking great. I'm gonna set up our espresso shot over here, and then we're gonna be testing. Nice thing coming out of here. As you can see, it's nice pressure, working really good. And hot water, working excellent. So there you have it, Rocket Cellini working once again, heating up and extracting the way it's supposed to. So thank you so much for repairing Can and Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content of this every day, and thanks for watching.